Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down below in the video description. This video shares my personal experience with the platform. StealthEX.io offers a unique approach to cryptocurrency exchange. Rather than functioning as a traditional exchange with an order book, StealthEX operates as a non-custodial instant exchange. This means you don't need to create an account or deposit funds to begin trading. You simply select the cryptocurrencies you wish to exchange and provide a receiving wallet address. StealthEX then facilitates the swap behind the scenes, utilizing a network of various exchanges to find the best available rate. This streamlines the trading process considerably, eliminating the complexities of order books and trading charts. The platform supports a wide array of digital assets, giving users considerable flexibility in their trading choices. Furthermore, by not holding user funds, StealthEX enhances security, reducing the risk of loss due to hacking or platform insolvency. Transactions are typically completed quickly, although the exact timeframe can vary depending on network congestion and the specific cryptocurrencies involved. The interface is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, making it accessible even to those new to cryptocurrency. While the convenience of StealthEX is undoubtedly appealing, it's important to be aware of the potential for slightly higher exchange rates compared to some traditional exchanges. This is a trade-off for the speed and simplicity of the platform. Overall, StealthEX.io provides a compelling option for users seeking a quick, easy, and secure way to exchange cryptocurrencies without the hassle of account creation and fund deposits. The platform's non-custodial nature and broad asset support make it a valuable tool for both beginners and experienced traders alike. For anyone looking to simplify their crypto trading experience, StealthEX.io is definitely worth considering. Be sure to check the description for the link to the platform and explore its features yourself. Don't hesitate to leave your thoughts and experiences with StealthEX in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.